Hello, fourth graders. Welcome back. I hope you had a nice weekend, a lovely Mother's Day for all you mothers out there. And Bochi and I are going to be talking to you about generating equivalent fractions today. So on my whiteboard, I have 3 bars that are divided into 3 sections each. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 for all of these. And so right now what I'm going to do is I am going to shade in 2/3. Excuse me, Bochi. I'm going to shade in 2/3. So here is 1/3. Here is 2/3. Okay, so we can agree that that's 2/3. I'm going to put 2/3 over here. Okay, now I'm going to do it again with this one. I'm going to shade in 2/3 again. And you will see why in a minute. And I'm going to label it 2/3. Okay, so here we have 2 bars that have an equivalent amount shaded in, and they have the same fraction, 2/3. Now what I'm going to do to this middle one is I'm going to take each third and I'm going to divide it in half. So I'm going to carefully, but not exactly. I'm not measuring it, just so you get the idea. Okay, so what changed when I did that? And what stayed the same when I did that? So the total parts doubled, right? Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so did the number of shaded boxes. That doubled too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I could say over here is that I multiplied 2/3 by 2 halves. And you remember that whenever the numerator is the same as the denominator, it's the same as multiplying by 1. So the amount stays the same, as you can see. The amount is the same, but our numerator doubled. There's now 1, 2, 3, 4, because 2 times 2 is 4. And our denominator doubled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 total spots. And 3 times 2 is 6. So 2/3 is equal to 4/6. And here's the visual for that. Now I'm going to take each of these that are 1/3 and I'm going to divide them into thirds individually. So each one of these sections will have 3 spots. And I know it's not perfect. I know. Doing my best here. Okay, so now I want you to think about if I were to have shaded in the 2/3 before, as such, 2/3, but this time I didn't divide them into halves, I divided them into thirds. So we would say times 3/3, which is equal to 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts that are shaded in out of the total parts that are 9. And that shows right here, which 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. So each of these fractions, 2/3, 4/6, 6/9, are all what we call equivalent fractions because they represent the same total amount. They all fill up this much of the bar graph. So that's the work you're going to be doing today. In addition, if you would like an extra challenge, I am attaching something from a special request I got from Layla Colbert, asking for a sheet of problems where you are adding fractions with different denominators. So if you would like that challenge, it's posted under materials. Give it a go. Take a picture of it, send it to me, and kudos to you for trying. All right, have a great day and email me with any questions. Bye.